In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all products in Odoo. We'll walk through the process from the home screen all the way to removing your product records in bulk. This is useful if you're cleaning up a demo database, resetting test data, or simply clearing out a product list you no longer need. Since deleting products can affect your inventory setup, it's a good idea to make sure you really want to remove them before you continue. Start by going to the Odoo home screen. This is the main dashboard where you can access all of your apps and modules. Once you're on the home page, click on Inventory. This will open the Inventory Management area where your stock operations, warehouse tools, and product-related settings are located. After that, look for products and click on it. In Odoo, this menu often gives you access to the records connected to the items you sell, store, or manage in stock. Next, click on Products again from the drop-down or sub-menu. This takes you to the Full Products page where you can view all existing product entries in your system. If you have a lot of items, this page may show them in a visual layout first, depending on your current view settings. To make bulk deletion easier, switch to List View. This is an important part of the process because List View allows you to select multiple records at once. It gives you a more organized table-style layout, which is much better for managing a large number of products. Now, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all visible products. This tells Odoo that you want to apply the next action to the entire selection. If your database contains many products, take a brief moment to confirm you've selected the correct set of records before moving on. Once everything is selected, click on Actions. This opens a menu of bulk operations you can perform on the selected products. From that menu, click Delete. Odoo will then proceed with removing the selected product records. Keep in mind that, depending on your system configuration or product usage, some records may not be removable if they are tied to existing transactions or inventory history. And that's it. That's how you delete all products in Odoo using the bulk action tools inside the inventory module. If you're working in a live system, always double check before deleting since this action may be difficult to reverse.